QMI Solutions hosts the Gateway to Industry Schools program here in Queensland, where we try and put schools and industry in platforms that they're able to communicate and get those closer links between industry and schools. Gateway to Industry Schools program, we've been able to work with our industry partners in being able to put on this tour as an outcome from the Gateway Hub for Engineering. It means that all the schools that feed into the Engineering Hub are able to take advantage of this opportunity that industry is offering.
The Gateway Industry Schools program has showed me what industry looks like in the real world.
I learned today that the high quality of workers and their workmanship is of a very high standard in Queensland.